Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. We are at Universal Studios again today, and we are going to go to Nintendo. We were here for the preview. Now it's officially open. It's been open for a week now, and we were able to get a reservation. So we're gonna go hang out there, but before that, we'll check out, see what else they have. I think Lunar New Year is still happening, and we'll go get some food. Join us on our adventure. Where's the red carpet? There's usually a red carpet. I don't know if it's gone because of the rain. It rained a little bit earlier. Anyway, yay! Super Nintendo World! Let's go! So we stopped by the Hollywood and Dine. They have Lunar New Year food. And I got the pork ramen noodles. The secret noodle thing was sold out. So I got the regular. Very hot. It looks good. Can't wait. Alright, so we are on the lower lot now, waiting for our reservation time. It's about 2:30 right now. Our reservation is at 3:10, so we're supposed to come back at 3:10. In the meantime, we got a power band. So we chose Yoshi. We're going to share this, John and I. We don't really know how it works yet, but we're going to put it on and see how it works. I guess you can get points and stuff and play games. So yeah, we'll have fun with this.
You saw the